Right, welcome back. It's another weekend on the Cooper S, Mark 3 Cooper S. So again, I've got a bit of unboxing. Some of you like it, some of you don't. Just bits and bobs really, but I'll go through what I've got, and then I'll go through what I'm going to be doing today. So let's start with the smallest one. So this is from Summerford Minis. So what have I got in here? Diagonal or offset heater valve. On their website it shows it like the original. It's got a little bulge there, but as you can see, this one's not. It's not an original one. It's a reproduction. So anyway, I have got one that came off it, but it's just grubby, and I'll just stick a new one on. So that's that. Headlight rubbers. I don't know if they're any different to Mini Spares ones. Hopefully they're better rubber than what came off. And headlight rings. Now I have got the original ones, but honestly they're quite scuffed and scratched, and I just wanted to see. These are advertised as chromed brass with I'm sure it said it had the little brass pin at the top, but of course these don't. I mean, they feel quite heavy, so I'll have a look at my old ones and see whether they've got the pin on them or not. So yeah, it's a bit disappointing that is. I thought they had the pin on top, a little brass pin. How annoying. Well, I can always use them on another one if I don't use them, but that is annoying, I must admit. Not what it says on the tin, unfortunately. And I thought, coming from Summerford, they would be. I'll send them an email. So that's that. That's everything from Summerford. And there. So got a load of bits from Mini Spares. I keep saying to Lou that, oh, I don't really need any bits, and then you notice that as you work through, you find there's more and more bits that you need. So what have we got in here? Hose to connect to the servo to something, I can't remember what, but I know what it's for. stainless steel wipers and arms. Again, I've got these. The actual wipers are not great, and the arms were a bit scratched up and stuff, so I thought I'd get new ones. That is washer jet hose. It's the smaller one. I did have some to do the manual pump, but I've run out, so I need a bit more of that. And what else have we got here? I asked on a previous video whether I should fit a brand new interior light. Apparently it's apparently as the existing. I'll get that out and see what it's like as a comparison. That's that interior light. These are the companion bin chrome strips that go on the top. Again, I have got these, but the old ones are severely scratched, so I will keep all the old bits. So if I do sell it and people want the original bits, albeit scratched, then they can have them. When I went, ordered some stuff from London and Brighton last year. For some reason, I only ordered one, the right hand side exterior window strip. So that's the left hand. I ordered two of them. So that's that goes on the bonnet lip, chrome lip. It's just like a seal to stop it scratching the bonnet, and that is for the two side pieces. I thought I ordered two of them, but we'll have a look, see what's in here. They are drive flange screws for the Cooper S. They are the manifold, brass manifold, exhaust manifold bolts, nuts, sorry, the short ones. And there should be some long ones here. Yeah, two long ones. Some interior light bulbs, and for the rear number plate light bulbs. The door handle washer things, if you like. Don't know what those screws are, I'll have a look. They're also for the door handles. They are the washers for the exhaust manifold. They are more clips for the interior stuff. They are the door stripe plate seals. They're for the carb, and they are for the accelerator pedal cable connection. I thought I had some of them, but I didn't, so I've ordered two of them. So that's all those bits. Just allows me to finish off the little bits and pieces I've got to do. And then finally, everyone raves about, everyone moans about the rubbers from Mini Spares and other manufacturers or suppliers. and so people recommend Phoenix trims. Of all the restorations I've done, I've never used them, so I thought on this one I would give them a go. So what have we got here? So we've got that is. I think that's the door seal, or door seal rubber. They are the chrome trims for the arch and door seal, or seals. I need to read the instructions on them. I think you have to put them in warm water or something. So that's the rear screen rubber. They do one that has a join in it, or they do this one which the join is effectively welded together, so it's one complete seal. Now that, oh yeah, so this is for the rear quarters. I've got opening ones, not fixed. So there's two of them. That is the boot seal. They don't do it with the clips. So this is a stick-on one. Not quite sure how that's going to work out. Hopefully the stickiness is sticky, because nobody likes an unsticky stick thing. Yeah, so give that a go. And then I've got the foam that goes across the scuttle, the rear of the bonnet. That's also sticky. And then the front windscreen seal. Again, they do this in two options. They do it as it's not one piece, and then this is the one piece one. So yeah, I'm getting to the point where I'm almost ready to put all the windows in. And what is that? That is also for the grille end caps strip. Just protects, I think that's what that is. Just protects the bodywork from the chrome rubbing. So and then the infill piece for the front and rear screen. One's for front, one's for rear. I don't know the quality of it. Hopefully it's better than some of the ones I've fitted before, which fade. So yeah, so that's all my bits. So I'll just show you what I'm going to be doing. Right, yeah, so I think literally that is all the bits I need now. I shouldn't have to buy anything else. I'm sure I've got everything. So what am I doing today? So I am going to be fitting, so I'm going to be taking the hubs off both sides, fitting the drive shafts, which I've obviously painted last week. They're there all ready to go. I've just got to put the rubbers on. While I take the hubs off, if you remember when I was putting the wheel bearings in, I could not find these thick spacers which are specifically for the Cooper S, so I had to buy some thinner ones and pair them up. So I'm thinking, while I've got the hubs off, I might as well take the rubber seals out and put these in, and I can just keep the other ones as spares. So I'll do that when I do them. I've got all stainless steel ties for all the boots. I mean, these come with the CV joint rubbers and stuff, but I don't think they're stainless. They might be. Yeah, so that's that. So I can obviously get all them on. Obviously I've got Hardy spicers, so I've got these for the other end of the drive shafts. So a question. When I stripped the car down, it had towing eye, just a basic steel one. I've got that in the stores. I think I probably had that for the Race Mini, but you went a different route, I think. So so my options are A, clean that up and use that, respray it black. Obviously if it does get used, all the paint comes off. B, use the blue one, it's DSN type 1. Or C, which seems a waste, but get another one of these in black from DSN. What do you reckon, A, B or C? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just let the camera roll. Keith can put it on time lapse, and yeah, just me messing around, and hopefully there won't be any problems. So yeah. Why does it always pour with rain with me? So I've had an absolute nightmare.